Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a tutorial for you guys for how to both soft and hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S10 or Galaxy Note 10. So this works for any model of those two variants of the Samsung Galaxy phones. However, in this case, we're using the S10 to show you guys how to do this. So again, this is very simple, guys. All you have to do is just follow along in the video. So first, we're going to do the soft reset. So go to your settings. And now we're going to scroll down to About Phone. Scroll down some more and you'll see Reset at the very bottom. Click that. And alright, once we are on the reset screen, all you want to click is Factory Data Reset. Now this is going to pretty much let you know all the data that will be erased, pretty much everything from the phone. It'll let you know how many Google accounts, all that stuff you have. And if you agree, just scroll down and click Reset. However, if you do not want to reset through the software, or you can't for some reason, whether you're having touchscreen issues or that sort of nature, we'll show you guys how to hard reset as well. So first, all you need to do is power off the phone. Now, once the phone is off, what you want to do is hold the Bixby button and volume up button on the sides of the phone. You want to hold these first, and then after you hold these, now hold the power button. Wait till the phone turns on, and then immediately release the power button while still holding the volume up and Bixby button. You'll need two hands to do this more than likely. And then just let go. And as you guys can see here, we are in the Android recovery menu. Alright guys, we are here on the Android recovery menu screen, and we're going to show you guys how to factory reset. So to navigate through these menus, you want to use the volume up and down keys to go up and down, and the power button to select. So we're going to click down, volume down a couple times, till we find wipe data / factory reset. Now, once we are here, we are going to want to hit the power button. It's going to let you know that you will be erasing all of your data on your phone, same as the software reset. And to accept, all you want to do is go down to yes, and then hit the volume button. And when the process is complete, now all you want to do is just click Reboot System Now at the top, and it will reboot with your brand new factory reset phone. So that is it for this video, guys. We just want to show you guys how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S10 both through the software and through the Android recovery menu. If this video helped you guys in any way, please leave us a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. Signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.